Hi everyone, welcome to another technology tutorial with Miss Smith. One of the activities that you are going to be using in lesson 2 on unit form is a Jamboard. You're going to be doing a collaborative activity in Jamboard together. So I wanted to show you some of the buttons that you will need to be successful. So here I have the untitled jam, meaning I'm just going to play around with it. There are a few things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is you can draw. So to draw, this is going to be your pen. Your pen is like your pencil that I have you get out during the lesson videos. During this, you can take your pen and you can write the answers that you have. So I could practice writing 2. I could practice writing 10s. All right. Now, let's just say I don't like how that E looks with my pen. The one thing that I can do is I can make these pens different colors, or I could highlight them or even brush it. Brush it will have a stroke just like this, where highlighting might have a stroke like this. But if I didn't like that E, getting back to that, I could click on the eraser. The eraser will help me erase. The eraser only has one setting, meaning it will only be this small. So I could go ahead, erase the E, and then take my pen tool and make a different E. The next thing that I could do is if I wanted to, I could select something. I could select something, but I don't have anything to select right now. Let me show you what that looks like if I select something. So here are sticky notes. Sticky notes, I usually use these to give you pieces of little advice. You will not need to use this. Mainly, these will be giving you your tidbits of hints to help you with the assignment. So this could be the sticky note. Welcome to class. And then I would just hit cancel. And there you go. I could place it around here and I could hit the select button and I could go ahead and move this wherever I need to move it. The next thing that you could do is you could add an image. Today we're not going to be adding images. None of the assignments you're going to be adding images, so I'm going to skip that for right now. The next thing that you could do is you could add a circle. So let's just say I wanted to circle the 2. There you go. I circled the 2. Then the next thing that I could do is I could put a text box. This is going to be a very important thing. During the assignment, you're going to be writing 10s, 100s, and 1s. Any spot where I have 100s, 10s, and 1s, you are going to be using the text box to write that. So you would take the text box out, double click like I've taught you when you do drop and drag, and you could write 100s. There you go. Then your assignment is basically done. Let's just say I was presenting, then I would present and use this laser pointer so you would know the laser pointer does disappear. Feel free to play around with it, but note that that's not going to be what you're expected to do. So the only 2 buttons as a review are going to be this pen tool right here where you can draw, and this text tool so you could write the words 100s, 10s, and 1s. Now let me show you your assignment super quickly. This is going to be a collaboration activity and I'm going to show you 2 different slides. On this slide, this is the slide where you will need the text tool. You will take the text tool and place it on the lines. And when you place it on the lines, you will either write 100s, 10s, or 1s. I have only taken the boxes and I have made them either 100s, 10s, or 1s up in bold and capital letters. That way you know what to write. So here I know that the 4 is in the 100 spot, so I would write 100s. Then I would keep doing the assignment by writing 10s and writing 1s. Now let me find another one that will show you exactly what you'll need to do. This one is simpler. You'll use either the pen tool, I'm going to use the pen tool for this, or you will use the text tool. Either one will work for me. You are going to take the number 216 and tell me how many 100s, how many 10s, how many 1s. So I look here and I know that the 2 is in the 100 spot. So there's 2 100s, 1 10, because it just goes in order like I've taught, and 6 1s. And that is how you do Google Jamboard. If you have any questions, feel free to have a parent email me, or you can text me on Class Dojo. All right.